Today I'm gonna go through and show you a couple of ways to make vegan ramen when you're on the trail. Figured it would be a little bit more realistic if I actually used my cook set and I was outside, because why not, right? Okay. So we're just gonna let that water boil. Shouldn't take too long. This thing is usually a beast. Just waiting on the water to boil. You're gonna need 1 packet of ramen, some dried veggies, your favorite kind of tofu. Make sure that you pick up, whatever grasses that you find. These will be great additions to the dish. So just keep on picking the grass and the roots and the sand. Let those noodles simmer and throw in the flavoring packet. Then just throw in a handful of the dried veggies in the tofu and it is looking lovely. In addition to the ramen noodles, you're going to use some seaweed, some ginger, some chickpeas, some dried veggies, sriracha on deck. No tofu, same as the first recipe, just add ginger and throw in those chickpeas. Now you can add seaweed, just crumble it on in there. Then spice it up with some sriracha. That is the first time that I've ever had seaweed in ramen, and it's so good. I haven't really shared this story with anybody because I'm still trying to process. Last time I cooked on my cook set, I had a horrible experience. I had everything that I needed except for water, and I had like half a bottle of like mini tropical cranberry juice. I decided to make ramen with the tropical cranberry juice. Never do that. Never do that. You'll need a pack of ramen, a bouillon cube, coconut milk. When I'm backpacking, I use powdered, ginger, some dried veggies, curry powder, garlic powder, and last but not least, onion powder. You can throw in the bouillon cube while the water is boiling, and then you're gonna add your coconut milk. When you have powdered coconut milk, usually add 1/4 cup. I'm just eyeing it here, so that looks about right. You can toss out the flavoring packet, and now that the water is boiling, put the noodles in. Add in all the spices, and when you're going on a trip, you can usually do this beforehand and put it all in a Ziploc bag together so that you can just throw it into the pot all at once. Put the veggies in. Ooh. Thanks everybody for watching. If you could please like the video, that would be much appreciated. And if you're actually interested in the content, please subscribe below as well, as I will be trying to put out a new video every week.